Hi friends, in this video I would like to explain about axioms on probability. Axioms on probability. In the last class I explained about basic definitions on probability and some problems on probability. Now in this video I would like to explain about axioms on probability. Actually, there are three axioms on probability. One is axiom of positivity. Second one is axiom of certainty. And third one is axiom of union. Axiom of union. Friends, first of all, axiom of positivity name in itself. Axiom of positivity says the probability of any event is always positive. That is, in the first, I would like to axiom of positivity. It can be expressed as probability of any event is greater than or equals to 0. That is, if here A is any event, any arbitrary event, and whose probability is always greater than or equals to 0. In the sense, that is, probability never be negative. In the previous example, I say when tossing a coin, what are the possibilities? The sample space contains head and tail, and each of the probability of getting head is nothing but 1 by 2, which is equals to 0.5, which is greater than 0, that is positive. In the same way, probability of tail is also greater than 0, 0.5, which is also greater than 0, this is also positive. Now you can take one more example. While throwing a die, the possibilities are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here the number of even, I am finding about the number of even numbers that is treated to be a probability of E is nothing but 3 by 6, 1 by 2, which is nothing but 0.5. This is also greater than 0. In the same way, probability of getting an odd number, which is represented with P of O, and its probability is also 3 by 6. This is also 0.5, which is also greater than 0. Friends, in the above examples, we can say probability never be negative and all the events are having positive probabilities. So, this says axiom of positivity. Thus, axiom of positivity means the probability of any event is always non-negative. That is nothing but positive. Now, I am going for axiom 2. What is the axiom 2? Axiom of certainty. Friends, I already say these are nothing but name in itself. What is the meaning of certain? Certain is nothing but sure, which means this is also based on certain or sure event. So, probability of a sure event is equals to 1. This is the probability of a sure event is 1, which indicates axiom of certainty. That means while you are taking or while you are talking about any event which occurs 100% surety, then its probability means always 1. From this, here S is the sure event. Of course, I already told in the previous class there are two types of events. One is sure event and another one is impossible event. The probability of an impossible event is 0, whereas probability of a sure event is nothing but 1. So this indicates axiom of certainty. Now I am talking about third axiom, that is axiom of union. Friends, here also there is a union property is there. By this property we can define axiom of union, that is union of any two events, that is let A and B are any two events, moreover which are disjoint events. That means we need a basic condition while the events are taken at a time both are disjoint. What is the meaning of disjoint? Disjoint is nothing but take any two events A and B or any two events then A intersection B is equals to 0 or A intersection B is equals to pi, then we say that they are disjoint union. Why? Because before going to define axiom of union we need this condition. So axiom of union says probability of A union B is equals to probability of A plus probability of B. This is about axiom of union. Friends, by these axioms we can prove additional theorem. So many applications are there in which additional theorem on probability is important thing. This is about a small topic on axioms of probability. In the next video I would like to share the proof of addition theorem. Thank you for watching.